Welcome. Today we are spending a few moments teaching the brain something new. Many people try to change their lives by repeating statements they don't yet believe. But your brain isn't working against you. It's simply protecting what it has learned through repetition. Your reticular activating system, or RAS, is constantly searching for evidence that your beliefs are true. That means lasting change doesn't come from focusing yourself to believe something impossible overnight. It comes from collecting one small piece of evidence at a time. Every calm breath, every kind thought, every healthy decision becomes a new evidence. Today, we invite our minds to become open to restoration. Find a comfortable position, allow your shoulders to soften, relax your forehead, unclench that jaw of yours, and let your hands rest naturally. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold gently and slowly breathe out. And again, slowly inhale, pause, and exhale completely. One more time, breathing in peace, holding for just a moment, and breathing out with ease. Allow your breathing to find its own comfortable rhythm. As the 528 Hz frequency fills the space around you, imagine every breath carrying fresh possibility through your entire body. There's nothing to force, nothing to prove, only gentle restoration. Now, quietly repeat after me. I welcome restoration into every part of my life. Every healthy choice strengthens my future. My mind is becoming more open each day. My body remembers how to restore balance. Every breath supports my well-being. I collect evidence that I am growing. Small changes create extraordinary results. My nervous system recognizes safety more each day. My thoughts become clearer with every moment. I trust my ability to learn new patterns. Every cell works together in harmony. Peace becomes more familiar to me. My future is shaped by today's choices. I welcome new possibilities. I am becoming stronger through consistency. I allow myself to receive good things. I notice progress even when it is small. Every day I become a little more aligned with the person I am creating. Take one final slow breath in. Hold it gently and slowly let it go. Before you open your eyes, remember this. Real transformation isn't created in one extraordinary moment. It is built through ordinary moments repeated with intention. Every time you return here, you strengthen a new pathway. You collect another piece of evidence, and little by little your mind begins to believe what your actions have already proven. Carry this feeling with you today. One breath, one choice, one piece of evidence at a time. Thank you for meditating with me.